In this video we will see how to create list in HTML. So I will again create new file. Actually there are two lists in HTML, ordered list and unordered list. So I will just create list.html and then I will explain. Okay, so write basic code, and again there are two types of list in HTML. So I will just comment it out. HTML. So to use the ordered list, it has tag OL. We have to use tag OL to ordered list, and to use unordered list, we have to use UL tag, unordered list, OL UL. So we will just implement it here. So I will create OL tag and I will close it. Okay, and to add the items inside the list, we have to use LI tag. LI is nothing but list item tag, list item, and close the list item tag. And whatever the list for, suppose we are having list for laptop companies. So I will just type here in paragraph laptop companies. I will shift it here. Okay, and I will write here Lenovo, and another list item, HP and Dell. Okay, so just for the sample example, we are just giving 3, and I will just open this, and here you can see that our paragraph text and our ordered list, the list items, and these are the list. This is the ordered list, and here we can see that it has numbering 1 2 3 in sequence. This is because it is ordered list. If we have copied this and same to same paste here and just rename it as UL, this is nothing but unordered list. Now you will see that this will print in disk style because it is unordered list. So these are basic list in HTML.